In this video, we're going to look at differentiating using the quotient rule. Now, the quotient rule is a rule we can use when we have the division of two functions. So if y is equal to u over v, then dy by dx is equal to v du by dx subtract u dv by dx over v squared. So that's going to be our quotient rule. So if we look at the example we've got here, we're given that y is equal to x over 2x plus 5. And we can see clearly that's in the form u over v. So I'm going to let u just equal x, and we're going to have v equal to 2x plus 5. Now, when I differentiate those, I get du by dx just equal to 1, and dv by dx is equal to 2. Now, also in this equation, if we just go back to the rule, we have a v squared. So it's just going to be useful for us just to write down v squared. And I'm just going to leave that as 2x plus 5 in the bracket squared. I'm not going to expand that out unless there's any particular reason to, if they tell us to leave it in a certain form, etc. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave that as it is. So then dy by dx is equal to v du by dx, so 2x plus 5 times 1, which is just 2x plus 5, minus u dv by dx. U is x, dv by dx is 2, so that's going to be minus 2x over v squared. So 2x plus 5 squared. And then hopefully we can spot I've got a positive 2x and a negative 2x that are going to cancel, and that's going to just leave me 5 over 2x plus 5 squared. And there we have our final answer.
For more GCSE and A-level maths content, subscribe to N Jackson Maths on YouTube.